Why I always get reconnected on the online class while using Wi-Fi campus? I can join the class again.
I think we need to communicate this to management.
Yes, I agree with you. Hey, Adrian!
Yes, what can I help? It's your night, right?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Test. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. Thank you for meeting us tonight.
All right. What would you like to discuss? You want to talk about Wi-Fi, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you for your time. The Wi-Fi has been very unstable, especially during busy hours. Many students lose connection during presentation and while submitting assignments.
For now, it can be solved by student can use their own data if the Wi-Fi is slow. Then we will check the system.
I understand, sir, but not all students have enough data every day. We also did a small survey, and around 70% of students said they face the same problem.
All right. If like that, can you show me the data and show me the proof of this data?
Yes, sir. We did a short video interview with some students. In this video, they usually share their experience about unstable Wi-Fi on campus.
Halo semuanya, nama saya Aldrian Hanif dan kali ini saya bersama salah satu dosen Polimedia.
Ya, saya Jeffrey Ramadian. Ya.
Bapak suka nggak sih pakai Wi-Fi kampus, Pak?
Suka, karena memang kebutuhan dari perkuliahan saya juga menggunakan internet ya, jadi suka menggunakan wifi juga.
Oh gitu. Terus kalau misalkan suka nih Pak, sering ngerasa nggak sih terkendala sama Wi-Fi-nya?
Kalau untuk yang saya gunakan mungkin untuk khusus dosen ya, jadi selama ini sih masih fine-fine aja, tapi mungkin ada beberapa kali ya, tapi nggak terlalu sering. Kalau untuk saya sendiri menggunakan yang dari kampus ya, itu masih normal-normal sih.
Oh gitu. Terus suka pakai Wi-Fi pribadi nggak sih Pak saat pengajaran?
Pernah dulu juga waktu itu karena memang mungkin banyak yang menggunakan ya, jadi agak nge-lag ya. Kadang-kadang sih nggak terlalu sering juga.
Oh iya. Terus kalau misalkan sering nggak sih ngalamin kejadian gitu Pak kayak Wi-Fi-nya tiba-tiba putus, terus tiba-tiba susah connect?
Ya belum juga ya, mungkin nggak ada beberapa kali sih tapi nggak terlalu sering.
Oh gitu.
Nah ini yang wifi yang biasa digunakan untuk dosen mungkin ya.
Iya.
Jadi mungkin secara untuk dosen mungkin lebih baik ini.
Oh iya. Terus harapan untuk kedepannya apa nih Pak buat Wi-Fi?
Ya mungkin ya karena saya juga perkuliahannya juga mahasiswa juga menggunakan, mungkin yang sering terkendala tuh di mahasiswa. Jadi mungkin ya kalau mungkin internet yang digunakan untuk mahasiswa juga kalau bisa lebih ditingkatkan ya.
Oh iya.
Jadi walaupun saya internetnya mungkin agak lebih baik, tapi di mahasiswanya mungkin kurang, ya itu akan terkendala juga dengan perkuliahan ya.
Oh iya.
Nah, harapannya itu. Jadi mungkin biar internet di penggunaan secara umum ya, mungkin mahasiswa penggunaannya juga bisa lebih ditingkatkan lagi.
Oh, oke.
Ya.
Ya, makasih teman-teman. Makasih Pak.
Ya.
Jadi di sini aku mau nanya-nanya nih, sebelumnya nama kamu siapa?
Nama aku Nyimas
Dari prodi?
dari Prodi Penyiaran.
Aku mau nanya sedikit nih, kamu suka pakai Wi-Fi kampus nggak?
Sering sih, sering pakai.
Nah, kalau pakai Wi-Fi kampus itu suka ngerasa terkendala nggak sih sama Wi-Fi-nya kayak misalnya nge-lag atau susah connect gitu?
Susah nge-lag sih enggak ya, tapi kalau misalkan Wi-Fi-nya dimatiin tuh dia susah connect-nya lagi.
Oh gitu. Sering ngalamin kejadian nggak kayak misalnya lagi nugas gitu tiba-tiba Wi-Fi-nya hilang atau gimana?
Oh, kalau lagi nugas pakai Wi-Fi kampus sih enggak ya?
Nggak.
Aman sih.
Tadi kan berarti ngerasa ada kendala nih.
Iya.
Harapan buat kedepannya gimana nih tentang Wi-Fi kampus?
Harapannya sih biar lebih gampang aja ya connect-nya, jadinya mahasiswa juga nggak perlu yang berulang kali konekin gitu loh ya, login.
Ya udah cukup, makasih ya Nyimas.
Sama.
If you look at the third graph, you will see that the dissatisfaction in is even more widespread. Around 41% of students reported that they feel the connection is slow all the time, not just during peak hours. It makes it very difficult to even open basic research material throughout the day.
We've also attached a log of written complaints, sir. Several students failed to upload their final assignments due to server timeouts. We've documented these time steps to help the IT team identify exactly when the system becomes overwhelmed.
I see. This data is quite detailed. I was not aware the disruption were this consistent during the specific hour.
Actually, sir, we also include a side-by-side speed, the comparison between the canteen and the main lecture hall. It shows a significant signal gap which support our suggestion the more access points are needed in this zone.
All right, I see. For the next step is I will talk to the IT team first.
Of course, sir, we just want to suggest a possible solution, maybe adding more access point in coded areas or setting special bitwise during class hours.
Okay, realistically, adding device is need a budget approval, so the possible thing is we can improve the bandwidth control.
That sounds good, sir. Could we also have a clear timeline so students know when the improvement will happen?
All right. We will coordinate with the IT and give an official update soon, so we can broadcast all through all the students.
All right. Thank you, sir. We really hope there will be a real action so students can study more comfortably.
Okay. Thank you to all of you for follow up this issue.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.